Natural world is filled with remarkable creatures, and one of the most incredible examples of nature's ingenuity is birds. Birds are a diverse and fascinating group of animals that come in various sizes, colors, and adaptations. From the lush rainforests to the vast deserts, the avian world is a canvas painted with a myriad of vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and breathtaking forms. Let's explore some of the most beautiful and fascinating birds that grace our planet. 1. Eurasian wren, troglodytes. Eurasian wren, troglodytes, a tiny songbird measuring around 3.7 to 4.1 inches, 9.5 to 10.5 centimeters, in length, known for its powerful song relative to its size. The Eurasian wren is a tiny bird known for its loud and melodious song. Despite its small size, it has a powerful voice that can be heard in woodlands, gardens, and other habitats across Europe and parts of Asia. It is known for its rapid, jerky movements and its ability to hide in dense vegetation. 2. Bush tit, Saltroperus minimus. Bush tit, Saltroperus minimus, a small, social songbird measuring about 3.9 to 4.7 inches, 10 to 12 centimeters, in length, found in North America. Bush tits are sociable, small songbirds found in North America. They often move in small flocks, constantly chattering to communicate with each other. Their nests are unique, hanging like pendulous pouches, and they build them using spider silk and plant material. 3. Pygmy nuthatch, Sitta pygmea. Pygmy nuthatch, Sitta pygmea, a tiny nuthatch species measuring approximately 3.9 to 4.3 inches, 10 to 11 centimeters, in length, found in North America. The pygmy nuthatch is a lively bird found in western North America. It has a distinctive habit of foraging upside down on tree trunks and branches, similar to other nuthatch species. They often form mixed species foraging flocks with other small birds. 4. Goldcrest, Regulus. Goldcrest, Regulus, another small songbird from the same genus as the firecrest, measuring about 3.1 to 3.5 inches, 8 to 9 centimeters, in length. The goldcrest is the smallest bird in Europe, known for its bright gold or yellow-orange crown stripe. It has a high-pitched song and is agile in its movements as it forages for insects and spiders among tree branches. 5. Firecrest, Regulus ignacapilla. Firecrest, Regulus ignacapilla, a small songbird measuring around 3.9 to 4.3 inches, 10 to 11 centimeters, in length, known for its vivid colors and distinctive crown stripe. Description: the firecrest is a stunning small songbird known for its vibrant colors and energetic behavior. Its fiery orange crown stripe gives it its name. It is native to Europe and parts of Asia and is a treat to spot in forests and woodlands. 6. Common kingfisher, Alceta withese. Common kingfisher, Alceta withese, a strikingly colored bird measuring about 4.7 to 5.5 inches, 12 to 14 centimeters, in length, known for its remarkable hunting skills. The common kingfisher is a colorful and striking bird that lives near water bodies. It is known for its remarkable hunting skills, diving into water to catch fish. Its vivid blue and orange plumage makes it a favorite among birdwatchers. 7. Anna's hummingbird, Calyptana. Anna's hummingbird, Calyptana, a hummingbird species measuring around 3.9 to 4.3 inches, 10 to 11 centimeters, in length, known for its vibrant colors and iridescent feathers. Anna's hummingbird is a stunning hummingbird species found along the western coast of North America. The males have vibrant iridescent plumage and are known for their spectacular aerial displays during courtship. 8. Elf owl, Microthene whitneyi. Elf owl, Microthene whitneyi, a tiny owl species measuring about 5.7 inches, 14.5 centimeters, in length, found in North and Central America. The elf owl is the world's smallest owl, residing in the southwestern United States and Mexico. It is nocturnal and hunts primarily insects and small prey. Despite its tiny size, it has a loud and distinctive call. 9. Bee hummingbird, Mellisuga heleni. Bee hummingbird, Mellisuga heleni, the smallest bird in the world, measuring around 2 to 2.4 inches, 5.1 to 6.1 centimeters, in length and weighing about 1.6 to 1.9 grams. The bee hummingbird holds the title of the world's smallest bird. It is found in Cuba and the Isla de la Juventud. Its tiny size and rapid wing movements enable it to hover like a bee while feeding on nectar. 10. Blue-crowned hummingbird, Amazilia cyanocephala, a small hummingbird species measuring around 3.9 to 4.7 inches, 10 to 12 centimeters, in length, native to Central and South America. Each of these small bird species brings unique characteristics to the avian world, showcasing the diversity and wonder of nature in compact forms. My next video will describe bird characteristics and their diverse species.